3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
To start using TikTok, open the app and explore the For You page, which features trending and personalized videos tailored to your interests. As you engage with content, TikTok's algorithm will refine your feed to match your preferences based on your interactions and searches. You can comment on, or share videos using the buttons on the right-hand side. Tapping the sound icon on a video allows you to view details about the audio and explore other videos using the same sound. For specific searches, use the magnifying glass icon to find creators, hashtags, effects, songs, or topics. To create a TikTok video, tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen to open the camera. You can record a new video or upload an existing one. Choose your desired recording length, 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes, and optionally add a sound, filter, or effect before starting. Use the record button to capture your video, pausing and resuming as needed. Once recorded, proceed to editing screen to add sounds, text, stickers, or advanced edits. When you're ready to post, add a caption, hashtags, or tags, and either save the video as a draft or share it to your profile.